Can I use a Metro PC SIM card in an unlocked phone from another carrier?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to address a common question that many people have. Can I use a Metro PC SIM card in an unlocked phone from another carrier?
Understanding SIM cards and unlocked phones.
To start, it's crucial to understand what a SIM card is and what it means for a phone to be unlocked. A SIM, Subscriber Identity Module, card is a tiny chip that stores data required to connect your phone to your cellular network. It contains your phone number, carrier information, your plan details, and more. On the other hand, an unlocked phone refers to a device that is not tied to a specific carrier. This means it can be used with different carriers, simply by swapping the SIM card.
Can you use a Metro PC SIM card in an unlocked phone?
So, to answer the question, yes, you can use a Metro PC SIM card in an unlocked phone from another carrier. The key factor here is that the phone is unlocked.
How to use a Metro PC SIM card in an unlocked phone?
To do this, you'll need to remove the existing SIM card from your unlocked phone, if one is present, and insert the Metro PC SIM card in its place. Here's a simple step-by-step process. 1. Turn off your phone. It's always safer to swap SIM cards when your device is powered off. 2. Locate the SIM tray. This is usually on the side of the phone, but the location can vary depending on the model. 3. Eject the SIM tray. Using a SIM card removal tool or a small paperclip, press into the small hole next to the SIM tray to eject it. 4. Replace the SIM card. Remove the old SIM card from the tray, place your Metro PC SIM card in the tray, and carefully reinsert the tray into your phone. 5. Turn on your phone. Power on your device and wait for it to recognize the new SIM card. That's it. You've successfully learned how to use a Metro PC SIM card in an unlocked phone from another carrier. Just remember, it's crucial that the phone is unlocked for this to work. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.